Hello, welcome to Academic School. Well, are you looking for creative ways to connect your lesson, to your students' lives? Because it happens that we end up teaching the same lesson to different, set of students, but all the students are different, right? Some comes from the urban background, some from rural background, some from wealthy family, and some from not so wealthy family, right? Well, if yes, then we've got just the right tool for you. Introducing the Make It Relevant AI tool. Now, this is an AI-powered resource that generates ideas to make your teaching more engaging and relatable based on your students' interests, background, etc. Right? Now, to access this tool, you have to click on it. Yes? You have to click on the tool, which is Make It Relevant. Once you click on it, you have to select the year level. So let's say my students are in 6th grade. And what are you teaching? I am going to teach them about the SMART goals, right? Describe my students. They come from rural India, all right? And I want you to give me ways through which I can connect it to their lives. That is it. Now I'll click on generate and I'll wait for it to give me a fantastic lesson plan, a lesson which is relevant, impactful, and, loaded with the relevant and impactful lesson ideas that, will resonate with my students. And here I am. See, it has given me a list of ideas, idea number 1, map your future. The Market Day Challenge, Village Heroes, Goal Setting Art, Smart Goals in Nature. Fantastic. So I think now I'm handful of ideas and I can pick the one that, I find best, right? Isn't it fantastic? So thanks for watching. Try the Make It Relevant tool today at Academiq AI and create meaningful connections in every lesson. Happy teaching.